Well, the Ohio River is 43.5 feet at Newburgh Dam, so I thought I'd show you what's happening. You can see there's water across the street, but we come down here to my field and I'm still mostly dry. I got a little bit of water, but not much. And 43.5 feet is flood stage at the Newburgh Lock and Dam. So, you know, this really, it's got to get pretty high for me to get in trouble. I mean, I'm never going to build anything in this field, but this is a great place to put a geothermal coil. I've always wanted a geothermal system. It's the most energy efficient way to have air conditioning. Even though this house really doesn't need air conditioning because it was built in the 1860s and they designed for the heat. I guess in 1860 firewood was cheap and plentiful, so it didn't matter if it was cold and drafty. Yeah, and I love how Vic put that exactly where the low spot is. You know, this is unfortunate. I planted this too late. I don't think it's going to come back. It was a big old weeping willow that Vic gave me. Oh, wait a minute, there's some new growth down at the base. And there's some new growth. Oh my goodness, it's coming back to life. Ha 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 ha! Yes! Yes, it just got shocked by getting replanted. It's still alive. This is wonderful. Oh, I hope the whole thing recovers. Yeah, this will get somewhere between 50 and 75 feet tall. It's gonna reach right to that tree. They're gonna brush each other. That's what I'm going for. And I don't want it to encroach on the neighbor's yard, so it might hang over the creek a little bit. Oh, yeah, and I of course forgot to keep the cats from getting out when I went to make the video. There's Dutchie checking things out. Hi, Dutchie. She's like, no, I'm outside. I'm going to stay outside.